Hello everybody. Since I got permission from Turn, I'm gonna start working with those guys now. Uh, Here's what I did on the 488 wheel. I'm going to redo these because they're pretty low poly. So this was just a test, but this worked out really slick. I split the box and I put some mirrors on it, and they just snap into the. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my phone while I do this. I'm old. Anyways, snaps in just like this one does. Pops in, and then once you put the base plate on, the screw will hold it on. And I added 2 more points. I dropped this down the width of this base plate. Now this is going to laminate this all together. This goes underneath these 2 pieces, and they mount on these 4 holes. Here are the 6 holes for the 70 millimeter mount. So this goes under, this goes on top. The holes all line up, so you're going to put a 5 millimeter, and I'm not putting recesses on this because this pokes down. It's not going to need it anyways, and I don't want to make this half, the nut will be holding halfway in, so I'm just going to put it so a washer and the nuts on the back side of it. I did recess. No, I didn't recess the holes, but then again, just use a button for the screw. These are recessed like the originals were. So these 8 points will all hold this all together. Then this will sit down in this box, and since I dropped these down the 6 millimeters of the width of the plate, now it sits inside here, and everything bolts all back in Turn's mounting holes. So that's all going to go together, and it works really good. Let me see. Here is just a wheel that I made up. I just created it out of my brain. I call it nut job because I used what looks like little nuts for holes, just as aesthetics. But it's 328 millimeters wide. It's a pretty nice wheel, but you see it's really stout. And this one is split in the center too, and I was able to print it on my Ender Pro 3. A highly modified rail job. Rail is the only way to go, people. But anyways, I'm going to start working on making these wheels so that people can print them on Ender 3, and you don't have to CNC it or have a giant printer. Well, that's where I'm coming from. I hope this turned out all right. And this is my little shop and my racing setup. So, have a good day, all. Bye.